Come cruising with the Clemons as we harvest toast our way further west.
All right, guys, you want the best smelling night of your life? Come stay at a lavender farm.
So we are just over the border of Idaho into Washington from Idaho.
Yep.
And tonight we're staying at a harvest house, and we're staying at a little lavender farm. And although it's past the season of blooms, it still smells amazing here.
Yeah, it smells absolutely amazing.
Mm-hmm.
It's everywhere you go. It's lavender.
Yeah.
Delicious, delicious lavender smell.
Yeah, they have several different varieties here. And if you take a look around at the park, it's just a beautiful property. The kids have room to play.
Yep.
It's quiet. We just finished watching the sunset.
Yep.
It's a great little harvest house.
This particular variety is called Mayette.
Okay.
It's an English lavender, but over here, look at the difference between, and it would be purple if it was in blue.
This is our host, Rick. He and his wife, Paula, own this wonderful lavender farm in Washington State. Rick gave us an amazing tour of the farm, showing us the different variety of lavenders that they grow and their uses. Next, Rick gave us a sample of plum lavender jam that he had just canned the night before. It was really yummy. Even Cooper liked it.
Can you taste the lavender?
Just a little, Coop.
He's fine.
That's good.
He's fine.
That's good.
Is it good?
Okay, Mom.
Okay. Thank you.
And that was lavender and what? That's plum and lavender. I put some lavender in it. Can you taste it?
The lavender?
A little bit? Just a little bit of lavender taste?
Yeah.
Well, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So,
Lastly, we learned about the distilling process to make lavender essential oils. I think that's one of the great things about the harvest house, especially with the kids, is they get to stay these kind of places. And as you saw, we got to learn about the lavender oil distilling process.
Yep.
And the different uses they use for it. So that's really great for us and educational for the kids. So
Yeah.
I love staying at these places.
Yeah, this place was awesome. He's got a little shop right over here, right over there, where they make their own lavender oil and soaps and
Yeah, so they
stuff.
sell a variety of different products in there, and he opened the doors and it's just this wall of lavender that hits you. It was
kind of cool.
amazing.
It's just they bought the farm a couple years ago, just like kind of on a whim.
Yeah.
They have regular jobs, so lavender farming is just kind of a fun thing for them.
Yeah.
So they're not trying to gouge prices or anything or make a living off of it. They're just having fun.
And to hear him talk, the owner talk, this is really a fun thing.
Yeah.
Like he's talking about, I want to do this and that, and if you ever come back here, maybe we'll have this. I just, you gotta love somebody who has passion like that.
Yeah, he's very passionate about this little place. Gave us some free plum lavender.
It was plum lavender preserves.
Yeah, those were good.
It was really good.
And we picked up a few little things because it's always nice to do that when you're at a harvest host.
Mm-hmm.
So Lavender Farm,
Yep.
Not too shabby. Tomorrow we go to
Tomorrow we're going to a botanical farm.
Botanical Farm, where they grow plants and then make all kinds of
Different botanical products.
Yeah. So that should be interesting too.
Yeah. Yeah, as we're on our way to the San Juan Islands.
So presto changeo. Check this out. That is a sunflower. That sunflower, give you an indication of it. There's my hand just about up against it. That sunflower probably weighs 10 pounds. That is the biggest sunflower I've ever seen.
Nestled between apple orchards and vineyards, this farm is located in the Chelan Valley and offers fresh produce and farm-made botanical products.
Ooh, the goodbye. You are. Bryce, I got one more. That's all I can do. Mom, can you help us find some more? Whoa, sorry.
Giant cucumbers. Oh, look at this spider. Hey, little spider friend. You keeping the fruits clean? Awesome, bud. And just raspberries, raspberries, raspberries.
This is Seth, our harvest host for the day, in his luscious greenhouse. He's owned this property for over 10 years. As you can see, he has a little bit of everything, and we were wowed by all the different varieties of fruits and vegetables that he had.
So he's got marigolds planted here to keep the bugs away. That helps with pests. I've never seen a 3-foot tall marigold bush. We get them in Florida about 6 inches, and that seems to be all they grow. At least that's all I could make them grow. But man, he's got a bunch of stuff here. So you got dinosaur kale. You got Swiss chard. Those Swiss chard leaves are like the size of my arm. Definitely didn't grow them that big in Florida. Tons of peppers. Look at this guy. Look at that pepper. That's so purple. That is a crazy, crazy color purple. And you got peppers down here. These look like habaneros or some other kind of hot pepper. What a fantastic farm. It's got some lavender here mixed in with the plants. Oh, these peppers look hot. I don't know what that is, but that thing looks nasty. Very cool. He's got a bunch of them. Stuff is what all these little berries are, but it is really cool. What a cool farm. Again, this is a harvest host, so you can stay here for free and come do a U-pick in the garden and then just square up when you're ready. Very, very cool. All right, where are we now? This is their little farm store?
Yeah.
He said
And of course the dog is a big hit because he's tiny and
Look at
cuties.
the tester. Can I try the tester? Nope.
All right, and here's our harvest so far.
He's trying to eat it.
So we went into the garden and picked this stuff ourselves.
The raspberries are just.
The raspberries are sweet. Okay. They are sweet. I liked it too.
We're gonna make raspberry cobbler.
Raspberry cobbler? Oh, well, that's gonna be good.
Look at this.
What's that smell like?
Ooh, it's like some mint. What is this?
We enjoyed the garden so much that we actually forgot to take pictures of the beautiful surroundings.
All Our next Harvest Host location was located in the foothills of the North Cascades of Washington. It's a 580-acre ranch with a heritage inn on the property. We were able to purchase fresh beef, cobbler straight out of the oven, and a few other baked goods. There are many walking trails around the property, and the evening was a perfect time to enjoy them.
Jackie. Jackie, the doggy dog, Jackie, the doggy dog. I can't believe she came with us on a walk.
The property is bordered by the Skagit River. We're heading down to the river. Not a bad property line. All right, so we came to visit all the animals before we left today over at the main farm. Oh, look at these guys.
I'm scared.
Mine.
I'll take them down. Make the sound.
Do it, Daddy.
The goats, they just came over and they let us.
Oh, they look like, guess who I found in the house? I found Jackie. I let her out. I thought she might walk over, but she didn't come with us.
Did you tell them that Jackie came?
I did. Hi.
This one tried to get Bunny!
Oh, there is a little bunny.
Daddy Bunny! Bunny Fufu!
Bunny's not part of their farm.
Okay. Do you guys see this? Oh, the beautiful red leaves.
Yeah. Look at the bunny. The bunny's coming back.
Look at the beautiful red tree. Oh, the bunny's chasing the chicken over there. All right, let's go see the horsies. They may not come over. You're so pretty.
I'm glad
Yeah.
you're the fly attractor.
It's such a beautiful and peaceful property, especially in the fall. In addition to being a harvest host, they also have cabins for
There's
rent.
some ducks too. Ducks, chickens, and turkeys.
No, are they eating it?
Yeah, look. That's the one that I just threw in. No,
He is
that's
quite the
one
fluffy
that
little
I
bunny.
threw. Yours is underneath the green thing, or underneath the house.
Cool.
All right, guys. Why I always look at you when I start filming, I don't know.
I don't know, because you're waiting for a cue or something?
So that wraps up this episode. As you saw, we stopped at a lavender farm, a botanical garden, and this cattle farm. And I think overall the Harvest Host experience out here in Washington has been fantastic.
Yeah.
So-
The kids have had a great time. We've learned a lot. We've gotten fresh produce, fresh like meat, fresh baked goods. It's been pretty awesome. And if you've already seen in the videos, the leaves are changing colors out here. So
Oh my
it's
gosh.
fall. So it just makes everything
We
much
got to
more
save a
beautiful.
few leaves.
I did. So
Yeah, so, you know, it was a great little trip on our way from Glacier out to the North Cascades. And now, next week, on to the San Juan Islands.
hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber.
Yeah, and leave a comment down below. We really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.